The biggest difference I notice when I travel to Australia is the sounds. Because this is a, we could have this anywhere. This could be Boston. This could be, easily could be Houston. Lots of different places in the country. But that is not an American bird. And you see them sometimes, and you go, wow, but you really, really hear them. Some more sounds. That's a parrot of some sort. There's another one. This particular tree is loaded with parrots of one kind or another. Again, you can more hear them than see them. Sitting in there arguing in the tree. See, I really don't need to add anything to this.